Hey kids, how was school today?
I had a math test today. I didn't get the best score though.
Aw, no. I'm sorry to hear that, sweetie. Don't let it get you down, though. Lots of people are bad at math, and they get by just fine.
But Daddy, that doesn't mean she's bad at math.
Did I ever tell you about the time I became a math person?
Okay, here we go.
I used to be really bad at math. I mean, really bad. Anytime I'd have to multiply, subtract, or find a common denominator, I would completely fall apart. It all started when I was a little boy.
Come on, Matthew. You can do this. Find number one.
You can do it, Sam. Go on. Where's number one?
Oh, Harold, he's never going to get it.
I guess he's just not a math person. Maybe music is more his thing.
But Daddy, there's a bunch of math and music.
And it was the same at school. Even though I was acing everything else, science, art, music, social studies, it seemed I was destined to fail at math. Until one fateful day, when something amazing happened.
It's getting late. I'm gonna go on a bit. Are you coming?
No, sure, it's only 6:50.
It's 10:30. You read the clock wrong again.
I can't even read the time right.
Don't worry about it. Just don't stay out too late, okay?
All right.
Good night.
Good night.
And that's when they arrived. I was visited by the math people. I don't remember much, but when I woke up the next morning, I felt different.
6:20. 6:20.
The visitors had given me an incredible gift.
It's 6:20. It's 6:20.
I had been chosen to be one of the math people. Suddenly, I could see math everywhere. I was finally good at math, and I have those strange visitors, whoever they were, to thank for it.
But Daddy, there's no such thing as math people. It was all a dream. Mommy told us you fell asleep onto the patio.
Then how did I suddenly become good at math?
Daddy, you just got over your math anxiety. You were clearly able to do it all along. There's math in everything. Music, art, sports. You're literally doing math all the time.
So, being bad at math was all in my mind?
Yes.
And we're all math people?
Yes.
It's not some sort of talent or gift given by extraterrestrial visitors?
No!
Wow. But wait, I woke up covered in slime. How do you explain that?
You fell asleep outside. There were slugs all over you all night.
Ugh, gross. Honestly, I kinda would have preferred the alien goo.
Can I go back to play now?
Sure. We're all math people. Huh. How about that?
I slimed you. Did I?
You did.